Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is As Muhammad Khan and I again welcome you with our next segment and it is related to the same topic, that how can we solve the problems or the numericals related to electricity. So it is the part 2. Now in this there is again one question. A battery of 9 volt is connected with resistors of 0.9 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively in series. So according to the trick, what will we do? We will read the question and find all the quantities that are given. How much current flow through resistors? So what is asked in this? The current is asked. Now what will we do? According to the trick, we have read the question. After that we find the quantities. So you write the student given quantities. Given. First quantity that is given, it is electric potential, and what is it? It is 9 volt. 9 volt. And the second quantity that is given is the resistors of the resistance that are connected in series. So what will you do? You will write all this. Now in this, when you will add these resistors according to the formula, 0.9 ohm plus 0.3 ohm plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. So these are the resistors that are given and their resistance. Now what you do, you will add them, and the answer that you will get in this 13.4 ohm. Now in this, what is asked? That is the current is asked. So here you write the current is asked. Now what is the formula of the current? It is I is equal to V upon R. But in the question, what is asked? How much current flow through resistors? So the resistors will have the same current because the combination is in series. So the same formula you will use and you will put the quantity. According to this, you will understand that what is asked, and now you apply the formula, and in the applied formula you put all the quantities. Now in this, what is it? It is 9 and here it is 13.4 is the resistance. Now when you will calculate it, the answer that you will get, it will be in 0.67 ampere. So it is the answer here. So first what will you do? You will read the question once or twice. After that you find the given quantity. You find the given quantity. After that you understand that what is the question and what is asked in the question. After that you apply the formula. In that applied formula you put all the quantities, and after putting the quantities you solve it. So with the help of this trick, Rafu, as you can easily solve the problems related to physics. So it is the trick. Now we will do the next question. So students, in this question, what is given? An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the service for 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed. So what we will try to find out, the rate at which heat is developed. So according to the same trick, Rafu, first we will read. After that we will find the quantity that is given in the question, Rafu, and after that we will understand and apply and solve. So according to this code we will try to find out. Now in this, what is given? Given quantities. It is resistance is given, so you write the resistance 8 ohm. Current is given, branch 15 ampere. Current is given 15 ampere, and with the current time is also given in this. Time is also given, and what is it? It is 2 hours. So these are the quantities that are given. Now in this, the question what is asked? The rate at which the heat is developed. So according to this, what is asked? Power is asked. Power is asked. Now the formula that we can use in this, the simple formula of the power we can use in this. And what is it? Power is equal to I square R. So with the help of this, we can get the answer. Now in this power, what is I here? It is 15 whole square, and what is 8 resistance here? It is 8. Now when you will calculate it, then the answer that you will get will be 1800 watt. So it is the answer of this question. So now we have solved this question with the help of the simple trick Rafu as. First we will read, after the reading we find, after the finding we understand, after the understanding we apply and we solve. Now according to this you get the marks in the exam. Like if you find the given quantity, then you will get the half marks for that. And if you write the formula from which you can easily get, then again you get the half. And if you solve the whole problem with the right answer, then you will get again 1. So like this you get the complete 2 marks from the 2 marks question with the help of this trick. So it is about the solving of the power of a numerical. So in this question again you read this, which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1 to 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. So again you will read this. So in this there are the 2 cases are given. In case 1, in case of TV is given in case 1. In case of toaster, case of toaster. Now you find the quantities that are given. In case of TV, the quantities is given, power is given in this. What is the power given? It is 250 watt. In case of TV, power is given, it is 250 watt, and with this the power, the time is given. What is the time here? It is 1 hour. What is asked in this? Which use more energy? Energy is asked. So you put here question mark. Like this, in case of toaster, power is given. What is power? It is 1200 watt. Time is given in this. What is it? It is 10 minutes. Now you convert it into hour. So when you will divide it by 60, then you will get in hour 1/6. Now in this again what we will try to find out? Energy we will try to find out. First we will solve this. Energy consumed formula is P into T. So now you will multiply it, 250 multiply by 1. So here the energy consumed is 250 watt hour. In this case, energy consumed is again same formula you will use in this, and in this what is power? It is 1200. Again you multiply it by 1/6 and you will calculate it. It is 200 watt hour. So according to these two answers, you can easily compare that which device is using more energy. So you can find out in this that TV is requiring, or TV is using more energy. So like this you will solve the problems related to physics. So in calculation you will have one trick in your mind, that is in the form of code. You can easily learn. What is it? Rafu as read, find, understand, apply and solve. So it is the trick from which you can easily solve the problems related to physics, student. So thank you very much and have a nice day.